guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yemi Abiodun. I'm a certified cosmetologist. If this is your first time seeing my beautiful face, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Over here we do everything feminine hygiene and self-care, professional tips on feminine hygiene and self-care that's going to help level up your self-care and your feminine hygiene. Don't forget to join the fun by hitting the subscribe button below. And I own a feminine hygiene and self-care brand here in Nigeria. Check us out on Instagram, or you can hit the link to my website below. If you're in Nigeria, we ship everywhere in Nigeria, but if you stay outside the country, we ship at a flat rate of $200. And I know that's ridiculous. Sorry about that, but that's because the naira has been misbehaving alongside the dollar. However, if you have a loved one here we can ship to, or a friend that will forward it to you, however method you choose, you could do that. Also, there are partner shoppers in Nigeria. You could find one that will help you. You could find one that will help you get products from us and ship it to you wherever you are. Okay, today's is a shower routine. As always, the way we do our shower routine on this channel, we do it sit down style. Why? Because we are infusing professional advice with shower routines, not aesthetics, so that you know why we use what we use and why we use them. So today's video is an affordable beginner level shower routine, daytime, morning, beginner level affordable shower routine. I got this request a lot, and this fits in one product. You will know why I chose this brand, why I'm featuring this product. It is not collaboration, but if it is collaboration, Dr. Teals, if you are saying this, I know you say we are small, but anyways, today we are featuring Dr. Teals in our affordable charity. Affordable charity, Dr. Teals. As a cosmetologist, this is the one of the most asked questions. I am tired of always, what do you recommend? I want to take my body skincare very seriously. Where can I start from? I don't have a lot of money. I don't. I'm always busy and but where do I start from? I want something really affordable to really work on my start ease my way into body care routine, and that's what this is about. This is a shower body care routine for beginners, affordable shower body care routine for beginners. So first of all, this is Dr. Teals. They are very good. I really love Dr. Teals a lot. I love everything they stand for, what they represent. I love how everything are natural. Yeah, natural, that's the word, not organic. I love the way everything are natural. Even the scent in their product is from essential oils, and fragrance. Essential oils are healthier than fragrance oils. So, and again, with something with essential oils is that you are not just getting the aromatic benefits, there's skincare benefit to it, like brightening the skin and all of that. So I really love Dr. Teals, and their portion sizes are very large. Like, you get the value for your money. They are very massive. They are not joking. They are very, very massive. The portion sizes, and I'm like, wow. So if you're on a budget, affordable, this thing, Dr. Teals is the best for you. So how do I talk to someone that wants to just start, like you want to just start body care? I will tell you to, the first tip is to tr- double cleanse in the shower. Always double cleanse in the shower. You know what? With this Dr. Teals on, you don't need to double cleanse because it contains sulfate. Sulfate is deeply cleanses the skin. But funny enough, it doesn't dry out my skin. I wonder how they did that. And this also contains vitamin C. It also contains vitamin C in it. Vitamin C is the powerhouse for skincare. All this range contains vitamin C. I think for a beginner level, when you are looking to really improve what your skin looks like with shower routine and body care routine, lean so much into anything with vitamin C. And they pride, I can see this their range pride so much in vitamin C in everything. Why vitamin C? That is the best need for a skin daytime, your daytime care. Why? Vitamin C pairs well with body sunscreen, to shield you from so many sun damage, things that will make you age. Vitamin C also is the powerhouse to uneven skin complexion, because I know people that neglect their skin a lot. One thing they complain about is either their neck is darker than their chest. There is uneven skin tone. When you are looking for the king of to even and uneven complexion, vitamin C is the king. I don't know who takes it away from vitamin C, but you look into checking my mic. You look into vitamin C, and this range contains it. It also has pure Epsom salt. Epsom salt helps to relax your mind. Apart from that, I love Epsom salt has a spiritual secret of how it softens the skin. I don't know. It's softening, smoothing. It's softening. I put this in hot water when I want to get my feet to look baby feet. That's to tell you. Imagine how strong the feet is, and using this on your body, you are going to have a very soft skin. That's one good thing with Epsom salt. I love. And like I said, vitamin C, glow and radiance, they are not lying. When they are telling you glow and radiance, they are not lying. It also contains citrus essential oils here, which has very great benefit of brightening the skin tone and offering really amazing benefits. I'll look for the benefit of citrus essential oil and layer it for you. Really does a lot for the skin. So it contains aloe vera, shea butter, vitamin E, helps hydrate the skin, uplift your mood. So imagine waking up in the morning and using all this product. It really uplifts your mood. It will help, like vitamin C I told you is the powerhouse for glowing skin, even complexion, radiant skin, and to slow down aging. Sunscreen alone cannot do it. Retinol has its place, but protection is key when you really want to slow down aging of the skin. And you should be working on already slowing down aging if you're 25 years and above. I always say it on this channel. So yeah, this should be your body wash, and it's very affordable. This should be your body wash. Should be your body wash. I said it. When you are finished showering, you should exfoliate your skin 3 times a week, because you are just starting out. At least 3 times a week, and I'll advise you to do it every Saturdays, Wednesdays, and wait, I'm coming. Okay, let's do twice a week, every Saturday and Wednesdays. Twice a week is okay. Every Saturdays and Wednesdays, and of course, Dr. Teals have the body scrub for the body wash. So they have the body scrub. It's very massive jar. I'm like, this thing should last you. All these things can last you 6 months, honestly. And that's affordable. Like this jar, you just get a loofah. I would advise you have the hand glove sponge. You just get a loofah, get you some scrub, and you use it to exfoliate your body. So when your body is moist in the shower, you apply it and scrub, paying attention to places like the elbows, the knee. Exfoliate everywhere to remove all those dead skin cells. Those dead skin cells are the one that causes dull complexion, uneven skin tone. You want to exfoliate them, and you want to do this at least twice a week. The more you exfoliate, the more it reveals a brighter, more youthful, and even toned skin. And imagine doing this and your body is receiving vitamin C in the act while you're scrubbing. And there's shea butter here, orange oil, avocado oil, even citrus essential oil again here is noted here again. So your body is receiving so much benefit while you're exfoliating, and I think that's amazing. Like again, and it's natural. I really love that. So I really choose this for you. Normally other people will say Dove just makes you smell nice. That's it. Won't give, there's no other like real healthy benefit. But when you want to, like, this will also make you smell clean and fresh, because I love clean and fresh scent. But we are looking for how shower routine that is going to make you have glowing, even skin, and is affordable. Dr. Teals is the way to go. After you finish exfoliating, you exfoliate. What did I say? You exfoliate twice a week, yeah? Wednesdays and when? Saturdays. You got it right. But on other days, you just use your body wash and you're out of the shower. Next is your body lotion, and again, this is the Dr. Teal's body lotion, the same range, contains vitamin C. And you know why this lotion has my heart? It contains the the highest potent form of vitamin C, which is ascorbic acid. That's the potent, most powerful vitamin C derivative ever in the cosmetic world. And it contains it, and that's quite impressive, very impressive. So you have protection, brightening, all these ones. You wash them away in the shower, but your lotion stays longer on your skin. So the vitamin C has more efficacy to stay longer and to work on your skin more. So with the Dr. Teals body lotion, yeah, it's you getting all I have just mentioned, but it's staying on your skin and it's working. This should and it's 24-hour moisture. And one thing I love about this lotion here is the fact that this lotion is how lightweight it is. So if you have dry skin, this may not do much for you, but I'm coming. I'll tell you how I should. Hey guys, sorry, something cut off the audio at this point, so I have to do a voiceover. I was saying if you have dry skin, you can layer on an oil after the lotion, and Dr. Teals have their own body oil. So I was just showing you a demo. The body oil is not thick and cloggy like the other body oils that can clog the skin and feel sweaty, especially if you're in a humid area. So this is super lightweight but yet very very moisturizing. It's made with jojoba oil, sweet almond oil that really help to seal in that moisture and give you that glowing healthy looking skin from within. So as you can tell, Dr. Teals have everything you need as a beginner. If you are looking to start with the body skincare, Dr. Teals range of product is one that you should look into. They have everything from their body washes to their body lotions and their body oil. And you thank me later. See how the glow, it's shiny and it's everything. So don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and hit the follow button if this is the first time you're seeing my face here. And until my next video, see you guys and love you. Bye.